बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पाकिस्तान का पहला आइन कब नाफिज हुआ? When was the first constitution of Pakistan enforced? When was the first constitution of Pakistan enforced? Answer is 1956। पाकिस्तान में ज़मीन से भरे जाने वाले सबसे बड़ा डैम कौन सा है? पाकिस्तान में Which dam is the largest earth-filled dam in Pakistan? Which dam is the largest earth-filled dam in Pakistan? Answer is तरबेला डैम। पाकिस्तान ने मुस्लिम ममालिक के दरमियान ताआवन को फ़रोग़ देने के लिए कौन सी तंजीम कायम की? Which organization was founded by Pakistan to promote cooperation among Muslim countries? Which organization was founded by Pakistan to promote cooperation among Muslim countries? Answer is OIC। इस्लामाबाद बाज़ाब्ता तौर पर पाकिस्तान का दारुल हुकूमत कब बना? When did Islamabad officially become the capital of Pakistan? When did Islamabad officially become the capital of Pakistan? Answer is 1967। पाकिस्तान की सबसे बड़ी मस्जिद का नाम क्या है? What is the name of the largest mosque in Pakistan? What is the name of the largest mosque in Pakistan? Answer is फैसल मॉस्क। काराकोरम सिलसिले की सबसे ऊंची चोटी कौन सी है? Which is the highest peak in the Karakoram range? Which is the highest peak in the Karakoram range? Answer is K2। पाकिस्तान का कौन सा शहर ज़राई आलात के लिए मशहूर है? Which Pakistani city is famous for surgical instruments? Which Pakistani city is famous for surgical instruments? Answer is सियालकोट। पाकिस्तान और अफ़गानिस्तान की सरहद की लंबाई कितनी है? What is the length of the Pakistan-Afghanistan border? What is the length of the Pakistan and Afghanistan border? Answer is 2640 किलोमीटर। पाकिस्तान के किस शहर को पाकिस्तान का मैनचेस्टर कहा जाता है? Which city is known as the Manchester of Pakistan. Which city is known as the Manchester of Pakistan? Answer is Faisalabad. पाकिस्तान स्टील मिल्स कब कायम हुई? When was the Pakistan steel mills established? Answer is 1975. रकबे के लिहाज से पाकिस्तान का सबसे छोटा सूबा कौन सा है? Which is the smallest province of Pakistan by area? Which is the smallest province of Pakistan by area? Answer is खैबर पख्तूनख्वा. पाकिस्तान की माईशत की रीढ़ की हड्डी कौन सा शोबा है? Which sector is the backbone of Pakistan's economy? Which sector is the backbone of Pakistan's economy? Answer is agriculture. वट कौन सा दरिया मोहनजोदड़ो के मकाम से गुजरता है? What is the name of the river that flows through the Mohenjo-daro site? Answer is what is the name of the river that flows through the Mohenjo-daro site? Answer is Indus river. पाकिस्तान की पहली खातून वज़ीर ख़ारजा कौन थीं? Who was the first female foreign minister of Pakistan? Who was the first female foreign minister of Pakistan? Answer is Hana Arabani Khar. अल्लामा इकबाल ने कौन सी सियासी जमात कायम की? What was the name of the political party founded by Allama Iqbal? What was the name of the political party founded by Allama Iqbal? Answer is none. He did not found a party. पाकिस्तान में सबसे लंबा ग्लेशियर कौन सा है? Which is the longest glacier in Pakistan? पाकिस्तान में सबसे लंबा ग्लेशियर कौन सा है? Which is the longest glacier in Pakistan? Answer is Siachen Glacier. पाकिस्तान की पहली खातून वज़ीर आज़म कौन थीं? Who was the first woman to become Prime Minister of Pakistan? Answer is बेनज़ीर भुट्टो. पाकिस्तान का कौमी मशरूब क्या है? What is the national drink of Pakistan? Answer is sugarcane juice. मीनार पाकिस्तान की ऊंचाई कितनी है? What is the height of Minare-Pakistan? Answer is 70 meters. पाकिस्तान और भारत के दरमियान 1965 की जंग किस मुआहदे पर ख़त्म हुई? Which agreement ended the 1965 war between Pakistan and India? Answer is Tashkent Agreement.